Leadership. It's not a title. It's not a privilege reserved for the few. Leadership is a decision. It's the courage to take responsibility for recognizing potential in yourself, in others, and in ideas, and then stepping up to develop it. Let's face it, the world is moving fast, the competition is fierce, and waiting for opportunities to come to you? That's not how leaders are made. Whether you're at the top of your college class or just starting to see your potential, you need a system, a guide, a plan to take control of your future and craft your own success story. That's where we come in. LiftLeaders isn't just a program, it's a movement. We're here to help you craft your journey, break through your limits, and lead the way for others. It's built on 3 powerful pillars. 1. Support. We help you build unshakable confidence and a strong foundation for growth. 2. Progress. We give you the tools and insights to achieve measurable, unstoppable growth. 3. Elevation. We empower you to rise, lead, and inspire others to do the same. I know it's possible because I've lived it. I came from a little town in southern Italy. No fancy resources, no easy path. But I made a decision. I would lead my own journey. I built a life I dreamed of, living and working around the world, meeting incredible people, and inspiring others to grow. At LiftLeaders, we know that anyone can create their own path, but it takes courage, strategy, and action. We don't just give you tools. In the future, we will amplify your potential with cutting-edge AI. Every step of the way, AI personalizes your plan, tracks your progress, and ensures your growth. And here's the kicker. For every program sold, we fund a coaching program for someone who can't afford it. When you grow, you create opportunities for others. That's what true leadership is about. Leadership isn't about where you start, it's about the decision to rise. The decision to take control of your future, to inspire others, to create a ripple effect that changes the world. Are you ready to lead? Are you ready to lift yourself and others? Book a call and learn more about it. Join us today, because when you grow, so does someone else.